Are you a ramen enthusiast with a dream of bringing authentic, flavorful bowls to Malaysia? Starting a specialty ramen shop could be the perfect business for you. In this video, we'll walk you through the key steps to create your very own ramen haven. First, let's talk about the rising demand for high-quality, authentic ramen. Malaysians are increasingly drawn to unique and bold flavors, and a specialty ramen shop can offer just that. Choose a location with a vibrant food culture, like a busy food street, mall, or high-traffic district, where food lovers can easily discover your shop. Next, perfect your ramen recipe. The key to a great ramen shop is the broth. Whether you choose tonkotsu, miso, or shoyu, focus on creating a rich and flavorful base. Use quality ingredients, premium noodles, fresh vegetables, and carefully selected meats. Consider offering specialty ramen that showcases unique flavors or local twists like a spicy laksa ramen or a satay ramen. Building a loyal customer base comes from consistently great food and excellent service. With the right recipe, a welcoming atmosphere, and a focus on authentic flavors, your specialty ramen shop can become a favorite among food lovers in Malaysia. Visit 3E Accounting Malaysia for expert advice on how to launch your ramen business and make your dream a reality.